What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to talk about here in today's video is GME. As you all know, today we did actually cross those $30 levels, and with our gamma squeeze expected to take place in the first half of January with this expiration of calls that expire 11/17, ladies and gentlemen, the open interest is on a steady climb, and with us actually crossing this $30 price target really puts pressure on those market makers for this gamma squeeze to actually take place. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out ACHR. If you're still holding, let me know in the comment section below, because this retracement is expected due to the swing cycle, and we are still headed towards our $9 price target overall. So I hope you didn't panic and you took advantage. But before we jump into all of this, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted PDYN yesterday for the entry price of $4.90, with that price target being $5.40 plus. And if we take a brief look and check out today's price action on PDYN, as you guys can see here, the stock has ran as high as $6.85. And just to let you guys know, this stock has more room to run to cross those $7 levels. So again, if you do want to sign up for our Discord server so you will not miss out on any of my alerts in real time, the sign up link is in the description below. Now, first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is GME. Now, if you have been keeping up with the channel, I'll let everyone know about those 117.25 calls. As you all know, open interest here at that $30 strike here has gotten much heavier, currently sitting here at 26,000. yesterday was at 22,000. If you take a brief look and check out that out the money calls here for that $40 strike, also has increased by 3,000 on the open interest. As far as our $45 strike as well, also looks heavy here. If we take a brief look and check out that $125 strike, is also gaining open interest, currently here at 55,000, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the type of formula that we need in order to force a gamma squeeze. The higher that this share price get, the higher that this gamma is going to get, forcing these market makers to cover a larger portion of these calls, ultimately pushing the share price even further. Far as guaranteeing a gamma squeeze here, currently, ladies and gentlemen, that is too far to call out due to 52 days from expiration. But if we take a brief look and just check out this week's expiration, as you guys can see here, gamma at 12. But if we take a brief look and check out that in the money at the 30 here really quickly, as you guys can see here, we currently sit here at an open interest of 29,000, and that gamma currently sits here at 12. Our 25, though, we are starting to see coverage on that here as well. So be looking out for a gamma move here for GME here sometime this week. As you all know, Thursday will be a close day, with Friday being a half day of trading, which means the expiration for these contracts is going to come a little bit quicker than expected. So the gamma for this week is looking pretty darn bright. Far as ACHR goes, those guys, this is also can find itself in a gamma squeeze situation here next week. I do feel as though that we may stand a great chance to reach and breach those $9 levels here in ACHR early next week. If we take a brief look and just check out our day chart, as you guys can see here, today's retracement isn't all bad. We're still above that upper here on that Bollinger Band. We do want to come slightly under that here for today's close, right around that $6.90 levels. That will be a healthy retracement for a great bounce here tomorrow. If we take a brief look and just check out the swing cycle, as you guys can see here, every time that we tend to actually cross that upper here, we slightly corrects under it. I do feel as though that is what we are in store here for today, ultimately setting ourselves up for a bounce here tomorrow. So far, the capital trend is pointing to net inflow in favorment here for today, which points to more covering than shorting so far. So again, look for ACHR to cross those $9 levels here pretty darn soon. So if you're still holding, you are currently in the right place to be. And like I said before, do not miss out on PDYN. This thing has a lot of momentum to cross those $7 levels. And may the gains be with you. What are you waiting for? Click the video on the screen to be notified when Friday live streams start.